What if the pain you're feeling isn't life being cruel, but you leaving the stove on yourself? Life will always serve tragedy, yet most of our hells are homemade. Picture two families around the same hospital bed. One weeps together, the other tears itself apart. The difference, tragedy versus hell, is the misery we choose to add. Unavoidable pain is the storm. Avoidable cruelty is drilling holes in your own boat. Ask in every conflict, is this necessary, or just an ornamental dagger I keep twisting? Strip the optional agony, and life may still wound, but it might not scar. Imagine a funeral, where you are the calm harbor, not the collapsing pier. Strength isn't feeling nothing, it's feeling everything without letting the ship sink. The obstacle isn't just blocking the path, it is the path. When plans shatter, the shards show a bigger blueprint underneath. Ask yourself, will I be the shoulder, or the one who still needs carrying? Tragedy refines if we stop adding logs to the fire. Your crisis is your forge. Will you make armor, or more weight to drag? Make the goal simple. Be the reliable presence when reliability feels impossible. Strip away optional misery, and even a broken road can lead somewhere meaningful.